Hello students, we are in chapter number 14, perimeter and area. In last class of this chapter, we had completed perimeter of a given figure. That means we learned how can we find out the perimeter of a given figure. And today we will start area. So what is area? Just have a look. Area can be defined as the region enclosed within the boundary of an enclosed figure, or we can say area is the space occupied by an object. किसी भी फिगर का एरिया वो जो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करता है, उस बाउंड्री के अंदर जो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करता है वो स्पेस क्या कहलाता है? एरिया कहलाता है. एंड एरिया इज मेजर इन स्क्वायर यूनिट. If we have a graph paper, we place the figure on the graph paper, then we count the number of squares that are covered by the enclosed figure, and these squares will be the area. So if we place the figure on the graph paper and if we count the squares of the area covered by enclosed figure, then these squares will be the area. Just have a look how many squares are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 squares in the length, and how much in the breadth? 1, 2 and 3. That means the area of this figure is 5 into 3. So 5 into 3 is equal to 15 centimeter square. As I explained, area is measured in square unit. Come to the second figure. So how many squares we have in the length? We have only 2 squares, and we have also 2 in the breadth. That means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 centimeter square is the area of this figure. Come to the third one. We have 4 centimeter length and the breadth is 2 centimeter. That means 4 into 2, 8 centimeter square is the area. So what we conclude? What is the formula of area of a rectangle? What is the formula? Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, L into B. Okay, and area of squares, as you know, all sides are equal in a square. This is equal to this, is equal to this, and is equal to this. So what is the formula of a square? Area of square is equal to side into side. So side into side, or we can say side square. So these are the two formula. Let's begin the chapter number 14.2. What we have to do? Find the area of the square. So measurement is given here and we have to find out the area. So as you can see here, length is 2, breadth is also 2. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4 centimeter square is our answer. In this way you have to solve all. As you can see here, all these figures are squares. So you have to use the formula side into side. Now come to the next question. Turn your page. This is the question number 2. Find the area of the rectangle. As I explained, what is the formula of area of rectangle? This is the length into breadth. This is length and this is breadth. So 5 into 3 is equal to 15 centimeter square is our answer. In this way you have to solve all. Now come to the next question. Question number C. Length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 12. So 3 into 12 is 36 centimeter square is our answer. So in this way you have to solve all question number A, B, C, D. Now come to the next one. This is our question number 3. What is our question number 3? Find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are as follows. So here length and breadth are given, and what you have to do, you have to find out the area. So let's start here. This is our exercise 14.2, question number 3A. So what is length here? Length is 15 meter and breadth is 10 centimeter. That means what we have to do here, we have to convert, or you can make it centimeter, 15 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay, so correct it. This is centimeter, 15 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Now we will solve it. L is equal to 15 centimeter and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B. That means 15 into 10. What is our answer? 150 centimeter square is our answer. Okay students, so here you have to make a correction. L is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, now come to the next one. Suppose it's number E. Number E, length is equal to 3 meter and breadth is equal to 6 meter, and we have to find out its area. Number E, what is length? Length is equal to 3 meter, and what is breadth? It's 6 meter. So area is equal to area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. This is the 3 into 6 is equal to 18 meter square is our answer. Okay students, in this way you have to solve all. You have to use the formula of L into B and you have to solve it. Now come to the next question. It's question number 4. Find area of squares whose sides are. So sides of a area are given here, and you have to find, sides of squares are given and you have to find its area. So what is our question number A? Question number A is 16 centimeter. Number 4, we have to find out its area, and side is equal to 16 centimeter. So what is formula of area of a square? Area of a square side into side. Okay, so 16 into 16, it's 256 centimeter square is our answer. Okay, we will take another question. Suppose it's a question number D, 70 centimeter. Number D, S is equal to 70 centimeter. We have to write its formula. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Side is 70. 70 into 70. 7 sevens are 49. 0 0 centimeter square is our answer. In this way you have to solve all. Now come to the next question. Question number 5. What is our question number 5? Just have a look. Side of a square field is 60 meter. If a person walks all around the field, how much distance will it will he cover? So side of a square field is 60 meter and a person walk all around the floor. That means what we have to find out? We have to find out the distance covered by the person. That means we have to find out the perimeter of a square field. Okay? So how we will solve it? This is the question number 5. Side of a square field. Is equal to 60 meter. And distance covered by the person is equal to by the person is equal to 4 into side. So 4 into 60, 240 meter is our answer. So this is the distance covered by the person. Clear, student? Now come to the next question. What is our question number 6? Find the perimeter of a bed whose length is 6 feet and breadth is 4 feet. That means here we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. So you have to use the formula of perimeter of rectangle and then you have to solve it. So do it by yourself. Come to the next question. What is our next question? Find area of the floor of a square room of 6 meter. This question is also very easy. What you have to do here? You have to find out the area of the floor. And which type of room is? It's a square room. So what formula we have to use here? We have to use the formula of a square, that means side into side, and 36 meter square is our answer. So solve it also, it's very easy. Come to the next question. Reena bought a table cover whose sides were 2 meter and 1.5 meter. Find the area of the table cover. So what is the length and breadth? Length is 2 meter and its breadth is 1.5 meter. And you have to find out the area of the tablecloth. So just have a look how we will solve it. Length is 2 meter and breadth is 1.5 meter. It's a question number 8. L is equal to 2 meter and its breadth is equal to 1.5 meter. So area of the table cover is equal to L into B. L is 2, B is 1.5, 15 to the 30. After one digit we have to place a 0. So 3 meter square is our answer. Okay student, now come to the next one. Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So we have to find out the perimeter. So what is the perimeter of a triangle? This is the question number 9. Question number 9. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. So what are the sides here? Sides are 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So what we have to do? 6 into 6 into 8. So 6 6 is 36. 36 into 8. 8 6 are 48, 8, 4 is carrying here, it's a 28. So 288 centimeter is our answer. Okay students, now come to the next question. It's a question number 10. A swimming pool is 17.5 meter long and 12 meter broad. Find its area. So swimming pool, what is the length? Length is 17.5. suppose it's a swimming pool, so length is 17.5 and breadth is 12. So what we have to do here, what we have to use the area formula of area of rectangle, that means length into breadth. It's a 7.5 into 12, and in this way you will get your answer. So solve it. Now come to the next question. Question number 11. Find the area of the figures drawn on 1 centimeter squared paper by counting the squares. So these figures are drawn on a square paper and you have to find out its area by counting the squares. So first we will begin with the number A. How many squares are given here? 1, 2, 3. So length, we have 3 squares in length, and how many we have in its breadth? It's 1, 2, 3. That means 3 into 3. So what is our answer? 3 into 3 is 9 centimeter square is our answer. Come to the second one. So this is a triangle and we have to find out the area of this figure. It's an 11B. It's a triangle. Okay students, and what is the formula of area of a triangle? This is the area of a triangle is equal to half into B into H. This is the formula we have to use here. And what is the meaning of breadth? This is base. B for base and H for height. So what is base here? This is the base. So we have to count here how many squares are here. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. That means B is equal to 4 centimeter. Now this is the height. So we have to count it again. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So H is equal to also 4 centimeter. Now we have to put this measurement in the formula, half into 4 into 4. 2 2s are 4. So 8 centimeter square is our answer. Okay student, now come to the third figure. We have to count out. This is 1, 2, 3. Length is 3 and breadth 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 centimeter square is its answer. Now come to the next figure. This is the number D. As you can see here, if we draw here, this is the rectangle and these are the two triangle here. So what we have to do first, we have to find out the area of rectangle, and then we will add the area of these two triangle with this figure, and in this way we will get the area of whole figure. Clear students? That's the number D. So length, we will count the length here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the 6 centimeter. What we will write here? 6 centimeter. Now we will count B here. What is breadth here? We have to find out the area of this figure only first. Okay, we will leave it. So count the breadth here. 1, 2. So this is the 2 centimeter. So area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. L is 6 here and B is 2 here. That means 12 centimeter square. So the area of this figure is completed. We will got And what is the area? Area is 12 centimeter. And now we will find out the area of these two triangle. And what is the formula of area of a triangle? Half into B into H. So this is the B base and this is the H height. So area of a triangle is equal to half into B into H. So what is B here? B is 1 and H is also 1. So half into 1 into 1, that is the half centimeter square. And in this way we will get the area of this is also half centimeter square. And now area of the given figure is equal to 12 plus half, because we have two triangle here. This is 1 and this is 1. So if this area of this figure is half, that means area of this figure is also half. So what we have to do here? We have to add. This is the 12 plus half plus half. Okay. Now is LCM is 4. It's 12 4s are 48 plus 2 2s are 4, 2 plus 2. So what is here? 48 plus 2 is 50. 50 plus 2 is 52 by 4. 4 1 are 4. 4 3s are 12. So what is our answer? 13 centimeter square is our answer. Clear, students? So in this way you have to solve all. Only few figures are here. What you have to do here? You have to count the base. This is the base. And you have to use the formula of half into B into H. So half into 2 into this also. So exercise 14.2 is completed. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 is your classwork, and question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 is your homework. In next class we will start 14.3.